Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bagels at home in an air fryer. First, let's get our dough ready. Start by activating your yeast in warm water with a touch of sugar. Then, in a separate bowl, combine your bread flour and salt. Once the yeast is foamy, mix it into the dry ingredients and knead until you have a smooth, pliable dough. This initial step is crucial for that perfect bagel texture, so take your time and enjoy the process. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to create delicious bagels from scratch. Now that your dough is ready, it's time to shape those beautiful bagels. Divide your dough into 8 equal portions, aiming for about 3½ ounces each. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then gently poke a hole through the center to form the classic bagel shape. Next, we'll give them a quick boil. Simmer them in water with a little baking soda for about 30 seconds on each side. This step is key for that chewy interior and shiny crust. With your bagels boiled, it's time for the air fryer magic. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. While it's heating, brush your bagels with an egg wash. This helps with browning and makes toppings stick. Now, sprinkle on your favorite toppings, whether it's sesame seeds, everything bagel seasoning, or a simple pinch of salt. Place them in the air fryer, ensuring they aren't overcrowded, and cook for 12 to 15 minutes, flipping them once. And there you have it, delicious, homemade bagels, fresh from your air fryer. Let them cool on a wire rack for about 10 minutes before slicing. This allows them to set up properly and ensures the perfect texture. Then, toast them lightly and slather on your favorite cream cheese, butter, or any topping you desire. They're perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a satisfying snack. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.